Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. Today Tuesday, July 4th, 2023. It is 10:58 and 25 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, quantum simulations. So let's jump to it here. As scientists edge towards scalable quantum simulations on a photonic chip, a system using photonics-based synthetic dimensions could be used to help explain complex natural phenomena. Date June 29, 2023. Source: University of Rochester. The scientific investigators ran the simulations in a synthetic space that mimics the physical world by controlling the frequency or color of quantum entangled photons as time elapses. And this approach differs from the traditional photonics-based computing methods in which the paths of photons are controlled and also drastically reduces the physical footprint and resource requirements. As for the first time they have been able to produce a quantum correlated synthetic crystal, the approach significantly extends the dimensions of the synthetic space, enabling them to perform simulations of several quantum scale phenomena such as random walks of quantum entangled photons. The scientific researchers and investigators say that this system can serve as a basis for more intricate simulations in the future. Though the systems being simulated are well understood, this proof of principle experiment demonstrates the power of this new approach for scaling up to more complex simulations and computational tasks, something they are very excited to investigate in the future. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.